I am back with another recipe for winters which is creamy, tasty and very delicious. Perfect for winters, and I am guaranteeing you that if you eat this, you will not only lose weight but also have a glow on your face. It can be enjoyed with any food group of your choice. And let's get started with the recipe. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon too. Give this video a like and let's get started. Creamy mixed veg recipe. It's a very simple version of the mixed veg. We will start by boiling off 1 cup each of corn, broccoli and some green capsicum in a large pan with about 1 liter of water with no lid on top of it. You can store up the vegetable stock and make a very good soup out of it. Till the time our vegetables are being half cooked, we will just start making our gravy, which will be thick and creamy. And this is the main part of this dish. So we will start by using 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. I am using mustard oil here, and we will slightly roast our ginger and garlic. We will be making a paste of this, so you need not chop the onion and tomatoes, very little for this as well. I am using 1 cup of onions and 1 cup of tomatoes. We will cook our dish till the time our tomatoes are slightly pulpy and our onions start to become slightly transparent. We will cover it with a lid, and after some time, like about 2 minutes or so, it will be done. Switch off the flame and let it cool for some time, and then I will just put it in the mixer grinder and grind it very well. As it will be a creamy dish, so I am adding in very little of a water and our gravy is ready. We will just make sure that we give it a boil. Make sure there are no lumps in this or no vegetable chunks. Now we are going to use our masalas, which will be 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric powder, black pepper powder and salt as per taste. Now we will just mix this in and allow this to boil. As this comes to a boil, I have added in 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and now it's time for our veggies to be in this. So our half cooked veggies are done, and I am adding in about 1 cup of cottage cheese, which is homemade and scrambled. Now I will just mix everything together and incorporate the gravy very well with the vegetables. This dish says that it's a creamy veg, but it does not mean that it's not healthy, guys. It's filled with vegetables, which are a very nice source of antioxidants and a very good source of fiber. So as this dish is ready, we will just transfer it to a bowl. You can decorate it with some dairy cream, or if you are dairy free and vegan, you can also use the coconut cream. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a try. Give a like to the video, subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to never miss any update. See you guys in next one. Bye bye.